So you want to know what causes X-class solar flares? Is your brain up to the task of focusing your concentration to the end? Or do you have the attention span of an amoeba? If you are an amoeba, you can leave now. In the next few minutes, your brain will absorb information that will make you smarter than your dog. So let's not waste time. Let's get stuck in. The X-class solar flare begins with a buildup of magnetic energy. The sun's surface is a turbulent place with constantly shifting magnetic fields. These fields are generated by the movement of electrically charged gases within the sun, creating a magnetic dynamo. They erupt from the sun's surface, releasing massive amounts of energy. X-class flares often originate from regions with sunspots, which are darker, cooler areas on the sun's surface where magnetic fields are particularly strong and tangled. When these magnetic fields twist and tangle, they can suddenly reorganize and release a tremendous amount of energy in a process known as magnetic reconnection. This release of energy results in a solar flare. The energy released during an X-class flare emits intense bursts of electromagnetic radiation, including X-rays and gamma rays. They are the cause of the spectacular aurora borealis in the polar regions, as the flare interacts with the Earth's magnetic field. The X-class solar flare is the most powerful type of solar flare, and they occur due to the complex and dynamic nature of the sun's magnetic fields. An X-class flare is classified by its intensity. X1 is the smallest, and X10 or higher is extremely intense. The most powerful of this type of flare is capable of disrupting modern-day technology. This has happened in the past. You may have heard of the Carrington event. The Carrington event, which occurred on September 1st and 2nd, 1859, is the most intense geomagnetic storm ever recorded. It created strong auroral displays that were reported globally and caused sparking and even fires in telegraph stations. First documented by the British astronomer Richard Carrington, he observed a bright flash of light on the sun, which was later identified as a solar flare. The event triggered a powerful coronal mass ejection that traveled to Earth. Astronomers today monitor these flares using advanced telescopes and satellites. The understanding of X-class flares helps us prepare for their effects on our technology. It also makes you smarter than your dog. Give yourself a pat on the back. You are not an amoeba. Well, you've made it to the end of the video. Is your brain feeling energized and like a sponge ready to soak up more facts? If so, hit subscribe for more mind-expanding content. Don't forget, here at Beyond Infinity, we like to hear your thoughts and opinions. Comment on what you think about the topic in this video. Thank you for watching. Your support is appreciated.